guys, we got an interesting question here. It says the sum of two numbers is 9. What was those numbers? We don't really know, but we can make these two numbers to be x and y. Then the summation of those numbers give us 9. We can simply say x plus y equals to 9. We don't know what is x and we don't know what is y, but the summation equals to 9. And still the question says the sum of the squares of the numbers is 41. So that means we are just squaring these two possible values that we don't know their actual value, x and y. We square them, it gives us 41. X squared plus y squared equals to 41. And now we move further and find the value of x and the value of y. Very simple. From this first equation, let me name it equation 1 and this equation 2. So from the first equation, we can simply make x subject of the formula. And this would be x equals to 9 minus y. So let's call this as equation 3. So we can substitute equation 3 into equation 2 as x equals to 9 minus y. So from equation 2, we have x squared plus y squared equals to 41. Instead of x, then we put 9 minus 1. This would be 9 minus y into, but the x has square. Then we square this. Plus y squared equals to 41. Then now we open this bracket. This would be 9 minus y into 9 minus y plus y squared equals to 41. So we keep opening this bracket again. 9 times 9 gives us 81. Then 9 times minus 9, that is minus 9y. Minus y times 9 minus 9y minus y times minus y, that is plus y squared. Then plus this y squared equals to 41. So now this would be 81 minus 18y plus 2y squared equals to 41. So we can bring this 41 into the left side of the equality sign. And this would be 81 minus 41 minus 18y plus 2y squared. Then we set it to be equals to 0. Let's rearrange this. This would be 2y squared minus 18y. Then 81 minus 41, that is plus 20 plus 40, plus 40 equals to 0. So we can now divide both sides by 2 to get rid of this 2. Divide both sides by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. 2 goes with 2. We have y squared minus 2 into 18 is 9y plus 2 into 40, that is 20, equals to 0. So now this is obviously a quadratic equation. So what we need to do here is find the possible two numbers that when you sum them, they will give you negative 9. And when you multiply them, they will give you 20. So let's say negative 4 and negative 5 all having y. When you said negative 4y, negative 5y, it will give us negative 9y. And now when you remove these y's and you set negative 4 multiplied by negative 5, it will give us 20. So that's it. We can use these two possible numbers. This would be y squared negative 4y negative 5y then plus 20 equals to 0. So now we can pack 2y out. Y into y, y times y squared minus 4, y times negative 4, that is negative 4y. Here we have negative, then we pack 2 negative 5 out into y, negative 5 times y, that is negative 5y. But here we have positive. So we need to put negative here, that when we multiply negative and negative will give us positive. Then we put 4. Negative 5 multiplied by negative 4, that is positive 20. We set this to be equals to 0. Now we take this y and negative 5. This would be y negative 5. Then we take one bracket because they are the same. Y negative 4 equals to 0. So from here we can say y negative 5 equals to 0, or y negative 4 equals to 0. Y negative 5, we remove the bracket, equals to 0. Therefore, y equals to 5. Or from here, y negative 4 equals to 0. Therefore, y equals to 4. So this implies that x plus y equals to 9 is therefore 4 plus 5 equals to 9. And x squared plus y squared equals to 41 is therefore 4 squared plus 5 squared equals to 41. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more video update. Science with Abdul.